It is the final opportunity to be part of Gunnerson Pointe by Kerley Family Homes, and today I am here with Brad. So Brad, I know that you've been at this neighborhood, the homes have been selling really, really well, and you are down to the final 3, I understand.
Yes, Greer, thank you so much. We have 3 wonderful homes left. All are on basements. We have a Lincoln plan that has the master on the main with an additional bedroom with its ensuite on the main level as well. We have 3 additional bedrooms upstairs and a large media room as well. The Franklin plan boasts 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. All the bedrooms are up on that. It has a formal living room, formal dining room with coffered ceilings, and coffered ceilings in the family room as well. Each home is built with the homeowner's comfort and needs in mind. That's why we are proud to offer the benefits of natural gas in these homes. Natural gas is a clean, safe, reliable, affordable, and efficient. We include natural gas furnaces, water heaters, fireplaces, and cooktops, because no matter the season or the weather, every family deserves energy they can depend on at a cost they can afford. We've done several upgrades in those homes, and they're priced in the $760 to $790 range.
Wow, well those homes sound beautiful. I know it's just the final opportunity to be part of this great neighborhood. So tell us a little bit about Gunnerson Pointe.
Gunnerson Pointe's greatly located to so many things. We're near Kennesaw National Battlefields. We're near downtown Kennesaw, where there's been a lot of growth lately with restaurants and microbreweries. There's activities galore. We're not far from Truist Park. The schools, the public schools are wonderful just as well.
Well, Brad, with only 3 homes left here at Gunnerson Pointe, I know that some people out there are going to want to find out more and they need to hop on it. So what is the best way to get in touch with you?
You can reach us 7 days a week at Gunnerson Pointe. Sundays and Mondays, we're here from 1 till 6. On Tuesday through Saturday, 11 till 6. You can reach us at 404-960-1569 and ask for Brad or Rytha.
Well, Brad, thanks so much for being here with me today. And to learn more about natural gas and natural gas products, you can go to AtlantaGaslight.com. And remember, nothing says welcome home like the comfort of natural gas.